A very quick update here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So a quick one and heads up here for you guys. As you can see, the price is trading below 50 EMA. If you know my rule, only sell trades below 50 EMA and buy trades above 50 EMA. So at this point I was just looking for sell conditions, which I did not see, and I did not enter any sort of trade. Now price is respecting this trend line. Price previously bounced up from here and then previously bounced up from here as well, and if you look back for a couple of times right here, so we can get another push up from this trend line. Let's say if we have a next candle as a bullish engulfing candle, then we have a bullish signal. In that case we can have a little push up from here. I don't trade trend line a lot, but this is something you can get if you have a next candle as a bullish engulfing candle. In that case we can expect 1 ATR targets from here, and stop loss you can keep it below the trend line. Otherwise, if the price breaks and close completely with one candle, in that case price will push down further and we might get a retest, a pullback, and then another bearish engulfer, and price will hit the level below in green, which is, in case you miss this zone, is 2.419 goes up to 2.493, a zone from where I'll be looking to enter my buy counter trades. For now I'm just looking at sell trades only. If we have a complete break and close below this low, in that case I'll just look for a pullback, bearish engulfer till the price hit the zone below. The next buy trade will be from the support below in green, or if we have a dramatic push up above 50 EMA, only then I'll look for my buy condition. I'll start look for my buy trades only. If you know my rule, if you follow me, you know my buy and sell conditions. So keep an eye here for your conditions. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long or short. DM me if you have any sort of confusions. Right here on capital.com, it's exactly the same as Oanda. If we get a bullish engulfer here, we have a good buy condition. Targets will be 180. I won't be taking very big targets, as I've been mentioning from last couple of days, that if I get a condition, I only go up for a little scalp if you're trading on smaller time frames. So that is what you need to look at. Break below, pull back, only go short, and the next zone below here on capital.com, it is 2.478 goes up to 2.561, from where I look to enter my buy counter trades only. The next buy trade will be from the zone below, or if we have a complete break above 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my buy trades, buy pullback trades. Otherwise, this trend line is also I'm looking at. I don't trade trend line a lot, but if you have a bullish engulfer, we have a chance that price will likely to head up higher. Next one, we have gold. So like I mentioned yesterday, exactly, we had a price pushed up, hit 50 EMA. Let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. So as you can see, price did pushed up from this rejection zone, a nice bullish engulfing candle. Looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push up at least $6 from here, which is 180, and $6 from here is 1898, from where you can exit your trades. And if you want to manage it till 50 EMA right here, wherever the 50 EMA is on your charts. And if the price break above 50 EMA, in that case we'll have a reversal. Such a nice one. So price was here yesterday, and if you see, the price did pushed up from here. If you see, more than $10 if you have managed to enter this trade. Yesterday I mentioned about this trade and the ATR was $6. Price pushed up more than $6. Now the only hurdle we have for gold is this 50 EMA. As you can see, it's not breaking, but we do also getting this nice 382 candle. That looks to me a very good bullish pressure. Now the next buy trade I want to go for, it's once we have a complete break and close above 50 EMA with good momentum. Once we have that, we have a likely chance that price will continue to push up and reverse from here, and then we will use the zone which is right here in blue. We will use this zone as a trend continuation zone, bullish, and then I'll only enter my buy trades with a pullback till we hit the next level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. Next one, silver is pushing up really nicely and technically really nicely, as which I've been mentioning from last couple of days, and now price is heading towards the level of major resistance, which is 24.02 goes up to 24.60. This is a zone I'm paying attention to take my bearish counter trade with one of the conditions like bearish engulfers, double top, or a 382 candle. I only look for these entries on 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame for double top mainly. Otherwise, once we hit the zone, we'll go short. For now, I'm only looking for a pullback of few candles followed by bullish engulfer. We have a cross as mentioned yesterday. If I have a bullish engulfer here, that will be a very good buy signal, and I will only go long for now until the price hit the zone above, which I've just mentioned. So I'll look for a pullback, bullish engulfer, and only take buy trades. The last one, we have crude oil. So as you can see, the price formed a nice bearish engulfing candle right here. It did not form any sort of buy signal above 50 EMA, but instead forms a nice bearish engulfer, and that pushed the price lower. Now at this point, price is trading below 50 EMA, so simply just look for sell condition. I will only look for sell condition once I see a complete break and close below this previous low. Once that happens, we are good to go short with the pullback. Only I've removed this minor level of support, so I'm just looking for sell trades with a pullback. Once we have a break and close below this low, buy trades will be only above above 50 EMA and break above this high. So all we need is patience here. Without patience and with conditions, we are just gambling. So that is it for commodities, guys. I hope you're getting value out of my videos. If yes, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently, and so that you won't miss daily updates like this. See you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day.